Hey everybody, welcome back to theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Again, it's theclinicaltrialsguru.com, answering your guys' questions. But you know what? Today I'm not going to do that because my cameraman slash business partner, Chris Sauber, some of you may know him, is behind the camera. Say hello, Chris.
Hello, everybody.
And we don't have that other camera to have you in the little square because I don't have my GoPro with me right now. But next time, right? So you actually had a question today, right?
Sure.
So what was it?
Well, we recently did a study at a site that the visits were scheduled weekly for 3 months, the first 3 months of the study. In the last year of the study, the visits occur every other month. And as soon as patients get to that point, they seem to lose interest in participation.
Because they want their regular income, the
Exactly.
$50 a week.
Exactly.
Or every 2 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
And so they don't want to, $50 every 3 months is not enough for them.
Compared to what it was initially at
Now,
$50 every week.
Are they in the open label at this point?
Yes.
So they're guaranteed the meds?
Yes.
Okay. So this, if the indication is not like a life-threatening condition, we just talked about this. We did a brain surgery trial, or we're doing a brain surgery trial. We did the site selection visit for it today, and we asked this question: how much do the study participants get paid? It's only $50, and if you think about what's going on, they're getting like literally holes drilled in their head. So people immediately think, well, who's going to do this for $50? Well, they're doing it because they have the chance. These are people who have no other options, no other alternatives. They've been living with these conditions, with the debilitating conditions of, I can't really say what it's about, but it's impacting their lives severely. So they're willing to take the chance, and they won't do it for the money. In fact, you said they'd probably pay to do it.
Yeah, they would.
And in some oncology studies, people actually do pay to join the trials. You know that? And their insurances get billed. So this is clearly the opposite side of the spectrum, where someone's doing it just for the money, right? And is there some complication there with the recruiter also?
Oh, yeah.
So this could be key to the whole thing.
Could be.
Right? So what's the problem? The recruiter's trying to take the patient somewhere else?
Well, the patient, I'm sure, was complaining to the recruiter that he's not being seen as often, so obviously not being paid as often. And the recruiter suggested he try a new trial, go into another study.
Okay. So he has the right to do that. It sounds like the recruiter established a pretty good rapport with this person.
Yes.
So what I would do, you obviously can't pay the study participant. You can't coerce them by giving them more money. Although some of you sites out there do this. I mean, it goes on, but you're not supposed to, right? And that's definitely something we do not do at any of our sites. So that's not an option. But another option could be paying the recruiter, compensating the recruiter a little more, so that maybe they can kind of talk the study participant into staying longer. Maybe that will help, right? That's one solution I see. Do you have any?
No, I couldn't think of any.
That's the best thing I can think of that's still legal, right? Because another approach would be to just throw money at them, but that's coercion, so you can't do that.
Yeah. If the problem is if they're strictly in it for the money, can care less or care very little about the treatment.
Yeah.
There's really no way to keep them in.
And the sponsor's begging you to keep them in because they need their data.
Exactly.
At least until completion of study, which is only like a few more visits, right?
For this particular subject, with the recruiter, yes. But he's the third patient.
So have you tried talking to the recruiter about it?
Not yet, no. This just occurred yesterday.
So that would probably be what I would do.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I can think of, right?
Yeah, but at this point, the patient's already gone to another clinic.
Oh, so they were withdrawn.
Yeah, they did it in a study yesterday.
Oh, okay. Well, in the future, for anyone watching, I mean, this is a good topic. Try that if they were referred to you by a recruiter. If not, you don't really have that liaison between your site and the study participant. So other than coercing them with more money, which nobody should do, Just not right, not ethical. Plus, you don't want to get that reputation because then everybody seeking money is going to be coming to your site rather than having a legit clinical research practice.
Yep, and hold it over your head too.
Yeah. So that's what I would do. Tough situation, but that's what we do on this show. We answer these real world questions. So thank you, Chris. And thank you everyone for watching. This is Dan from theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Take care.